Hello! Today we're making these super cute Christmas cookies and they're so easy to create with the Crafty Creature Cutter Set. You can create a variety of creatures in many different ways. It includes a 5-piece cutter set, cardboard for creating extra cookie templates and greaseproof paper. Once you've finished baking and decorating, you can pop your cookies back into the original box for perfect displaying. Check the description for the link to grab your set and additional boxes. Okay, let's get straight into this tutorial. I prefer to use pre-coloured fondant just because it makes my life so much easier. For this, I've used butter biscuits, but it's Christmas so there's no reason why you can't do ginger biscuits. Check the description for my butter biscuits recipe. For the faces, we're going to use the very large round cutter. Now I want you to make sure that the very rounded edge is at the bottom and the slightly squared shaped edge is always at the top for your head. This makes it easier for us to add on little ears and things like that later on, depending on what creature you're going to make. This strip cutter with all of the shapes creates all the details of the face, the paws, or the hat or anything else you're putting onto your creature. There are 2 size hearts and these make leaves. They're also used to create ears and the nose and also the muzzle of the creature. There are 3 different size ovals and they can be used for the muzzle, for the beak of the penguin that you'll see later, and also the paws on the feet. You can create these with very detailed eyes, but for this, to make it super cute and even quicker, I'm choosing just to use the eyelashes. The eyelashes can also be used as the horns for the reindeer. However, if you'd like to do detailed eyes, take a look at the strip cutter. Look at the medium sized oval, that will be the white of your eye. Then the next one down is the largest round, that would be the colour of your eye. The next one down, pupil. And the last one, the smallest one, will be the white, which will be the light of the eye. I'll pop an example up of this now on the screen so you can see a more detailed set of eyes. This is so simple, so I don't think there's any more explanation needed from me. So just sit back, watch and enjoy how easy it is to cut, stick and create. And if you need me, drop a message in the comments below and I'll help you out. Remember, everything you need to create these cute Christmas cookies is in the description below.